So much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Wow! Look at where we are! We're in the frozen food aisle in a grocery store. But look at what it is. Yeah! Frozen raspberries! They're so sweet and high in vitamin C. I wonder how these raspberries got here. Wow! Look at all of these raspberry bushes. And all of these raspberry bushes have raspberries on them. And this is the color raspberry red. And it's so tasty. Well, since we're picking these to be frozen, we pick them at the perfect ripeness. And actually, we don't pick them, we shake them off with the harvester. Wow! We're in front of the harvester. See, and deep in there, it's shaking these bars like this. And so then the really ripe raspberries fall off into the harvester. Look! So now we're on the harvester. This is the machine that gets the raspberries off of the bush. Oh, and look at the driver.
Hey guys, I'm the driver.
See? And the driver operates the harvester. And these things, yeah, they're plastic bars that go up and down real quick and shakes the raspberries off of the bush. After the raspberries get shaken off the bushes, they arrive on these conveyor belts. So what do?
I would get all the raspberries and pick off the bad ones.
Whoa, like this one, right?
Perfect.
Okay, put that there and say goodbye to this. Bye-bye. There she goes, picking off all the bad ones. Wow, look at him and his tray. He passes it to the girl, and then she stacks them up. Good teamwork. Now that the harvester is really full, they have to pull up next to the truck and unload all of the raspberries. Now, the truck arrives to the facility, and then the raspberries get taken off the truck with a forklift. Whoa, that forklift can carry a lot of raspberries. Okay, so the raspberries came from the farm and got transported from a truck. And then a forklift pulled it off of the truck and loaded it up right here. And so now, all of these raspberries are gonna go into this cooler. Watch this. There they go into the cooler. Whee! Bye-bye! Oh, hello. Now, this is basically a giant refrigerator. So then the raspberries get nice and cold super quick. Look, he's wearing nice warm clothes. Wow, That's a lot of raspberries. So, what we're doing right here is we're taking a weight of these raspberries, see? Okay, now that we have them all weighed up, we bring them over here. And this is where they get loaded up. Whoa! And then they get taken to the top. Whoa! Look at those machines. They're putting the raspberries on another belt. Ooh, then the raspberries go to the top, and then this machine flips the trays, and the raspberries come out of the trays. Wow, look at all the raspberries. See the trays go bye-bye? So many conveyor belts. Wow, those look so tasty. Hello, ladies. You're doing a mighty fine job. Now this room is where the raspberries get frozen. It is so cold in here. Whoa, look at them. Now, all the raspberries are frozen, so we have to put them in boxes. All perfectly weighed out. Look at that. Whoa, look at all those boxes of raspberries. Wow. So the raspberries just finished getting packed up into these boxes. So then what we're doing is loading it into the back of a semi-truck, and the semi-truck is gonna deliver it to the grocery store. Ooh, so that's how the frozen raspberries got all the way to the grocery store. They grew on the bushes, really big and red. And then the harvester drove down the aisles of bushes and shook them off. And then they got packaged up in these plastic bags. And then they arrived here. Hey, I think we should go make a frozen raspberry smoothie together. Woo! All right, now it's time to make a raspberry smoothie and a raspberry sandwich. Yum! All right, so let's make a sandwich first. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Before you touch food, you have to wash your hands. Let's go wash our hands. All right, here we go. Get your hands nice and moist. Okay, whoa. And now you have to put soap on your hands. And then you scrub-a-dub-dub. But I'll tell you the correct amount of time, all right? You have to say Blippi, 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 and then you keep going faster and faster until you can't say it anymore, all right? Ready? Blippi, 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 Blippi. All right, whoa. Now you rinse the soap off your hands. All right, dry off your hands. I am so excited for the food that we're gonna make together. All right, here we go. Let's get some bread for our sandwich. Ooh, the heel, yum. I'll save that one for someone else though. All right, there we go. 1 slice of bread, 2 slices of bread. All right, There you go. All right, let's start out with some peanut butter. Yum! Take a big scoop. I love peanut butter. Okay. Okay, slop it around. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Yum! Okay, and on this other side, we are gonna put some raspberry jam. This sandwich is gonna taste so good. All right, take a big scoop of raspberry jam, plop it right there. All right, spread it around. Oh, yum, yum. All right, put it down. Put the lid back on. All right, here we go. Let's cut it in half. All right, and let's cut it into quarters. Yum! Look at that. Whoa! All right, let's put this on a plate. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yum. All right. You know what beverage would be so tasty with this raspberry sandwich? Yeah, a raspberry smoothie. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to make one. First, we need to go get our milk. Hold on. Okay, so I have almond milk and normal milk. So let's put a little bit of almond milk in here. Perfect, that looks great. And let's put a little bit of normal milk in here. Woo. Okay, perfect. I spilt a little. Look, that's okay, we'll clean it up after. All right, and let's take a banana. Let's actually cut it in half because that's a lot of banana. I want more raspberries than banana, but I still do like banana. Bombs away! All right, and wait, what are we missing here? Yeah, raspberries! Okay, I need to go get them from the freezer. Yeah, frozen raspberries! I use frozen raspberries because they're really good in here because then it makes it nice and cold and then it feels like little ice chunks. All right, okay, how do we open this? There we go. All right, the correct amount is 1 handful. No, it's 2 handfuls. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Okay, there we go. And let's add a little bit of extra almond milk. Perfect. All right, let's put the lid on. Give it a little shake. Yeah! Now let's blend it on up. Woo! Wow. Yum! That looks so tasty! Okay, I'm gonna get a glass. Perfect. Yum. All right, let's pour our smoothie. Yum! All right, now it's time for the raspberry song.
Raspberry, raspberry, raspberries, raspberries. A tiny fruit, red and sweet, called a raspberry. Raspberry, raspberries. Oh, grows on a plant loved by honeybees. Raspberries, raspberries, raspberries. I think they're very, very yum. On waffles and in yogurt cups. Raspberries, I jam, juice, and pie filling. Raspberries, oh. A frozen treat on top of your ice cream.
And they're full of vitamin C.
Raspberries, I think they're very, very yum. Raspberries, I like them very, very much. Raspberry. And anytime you can make a cool smoothie drink with frozen raspberries.
Hey, can you spell raspberry with me? Okay, here we go.
Raspberry.
You did it! Great job! Now, come on, everybody, sing along with me.
Raspberries, I think they're very, very yum. Raspberries are very yum. Raspberries, I like them very, very much. I like them very much. Raspberries.
Let's spell it one more time.
Raspberry.
Yum! This food is so tasty! Well, I sure did have a blast learning with you about how raspberries go all the way from the farm to your tummy! Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. You know my name, right? Yeah, it's Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Now you know how to say and spell my name. See you again. Bye-bye!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!